Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open the P9 Lite 2070 version. This operation is quite easy, but you have to get the plastic tool to open the back cover, and you have to get a hair dryer for this operation. If you don't have the plastic key, you should use a credit card or some other plastic to get in this part of the phone. So let's get started. First you have to get hot your back cover. Okay, it's very hot. Now you get the plastic tool put into the glass in the frame. This is the hardest part of our video. Yes, we got this. And you need to cut over the phone the glue from the back cover. Do it carefully to don't destroy anything from the phone. Especially back cover. Or okay, because this is glass, and carefully you should assemble this part, or you don't need. If you only change the battery, you should take back these two screws. Let's get it off from the phone, because I'm gonna be disassemble the battery from the motherboard. And voila, here you have a connector to the battery. You should get it off, and phone will be replaced the battery as new. We should unscrew some screws from the motherboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? And now when we have unscrewed the screw, unplug this metal one piece and second piece. This part shouldn't be a disassembly. I opened this because this was in my case from the repair of the motherboard, so you shouldn't do that. And now we're gonna unscrew down screws. This is a 7 piece of the screws, and there we have a USB connector and antenna connector to repair. And now we're gonna take off the motherboard. So firstly, take off the flex. One from battery, one from down part of the phone, second from the down part of the phone. Here we have a connector from antenna. So let's stick it out. and two pieces of camera. This is the front camera, and here we have a back camera. Disassemble this gently, and now take off the SIM card right here and gently pull up the motherboard. Do it carefully to don't destroy it. And as you see, now we have a motherboard and lot of parts. This is the back button, speaker, sensor light, and I think that's all. And this is the one of notice. Here we have a warm past, so you need to take the fresh past when we got the assembly our phone and motherboard to the frame. Okay, this is the first part of the thermopast. Second part of thermopast will be under this aluminium cover. I will show you how it looks like. You see? So you need to put the fresh past here also too. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!